Hello children, today we will learn about chapter number 7, the verb. What is verb children? A verb is a word which says something about a subject. A word which says something about the subject is called a verb, and it is known as action word or motor word. For example, the girls play basketball, the boys are talking in the class, etc. Okay, a verb may tell us the following things. Okay, what a person thing does. For example, a teacher teaches students. The birds fly over the mountains. Here, teaches and fly are action verbs. Next is what is done to a person or thing. The roads are repaired. Next is the swimmers are trained. So here are repaired and are trained are action verbs because they tell us something about the subject. Next is the state in which a person thing. Okay, so for example, I know your city. The pine trees surround his house. So here know and surround are non-action verbs. Next is what a person thing is. Mother is happy. The clouds are dark. So these is and are here verbs to show being. Next is what a person thing has. An elephant has 4 legs. Our school has a playground. Okay, so here has shows the position of the subject. A verb is the most important part of a sentence. Without verb, sentence cannot be completed. So we can have a sentence with only the verb in it, but no sentence can exist without a verb. Go. Here complete sentence. The students of class present today. Not a sentence because there is no verb. So first sentence is complete sentence because here is a verb, and next sentence there is no verb, so it is incomplete sentence. Next, kinds of verbs. Children, there are 2 kinds of verbs: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So first we will take transitive verbs. What is transitive verb? A verb which requires an object to complete its meaning or sense is called a transitive verb. So what is transitive verb? A verb which requires an object to complete its meaning or sense is called a transitive verb. Without transitive verb, sentence cannot be completed. Okay. For example, a boy flies a kite. Here the verb flies does not make sense clear. If I say a boy flies what? Which color? So it needs object a kite to make the meaning clear. Okay. Next, intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? A verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning or sense is called an intransitive verb. It is opposite of transitive verb. A verb which does not require an object and it can be completed without object, so it is intransitive verb. For example, the child weeps. This sentence is showing that it is a complete sentence because the verb weeps does not require any object to convey the sense, so it is an intransitive verb. Children, I am repeating, transitive verb requires an object to complete its meaning or sense, and intransitive verbs does not require an object to complete its meaning. Okay, so I hope you understood the chapter and you should practice at your home. Thank you.